GM and welcome to this video. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to register a DAO. What you need to simply do is click on DAO below here. All right, so once you're there, you're going to have to click on register a DAO. All right, so once you click on register a DAO, all right, you're going to see this page in front of you. Okay, so you're going to have to click on I agree, then continue, then give your DAO a name, then give it the description. All right, so I've done mine. Then you click on continue. Okay, so then you click on continue. Okay, now fill in the forms. All right, so you're going to have to select what your DAO is about. All right, the goal. All right, why you created this DAO? Is it for community purpose? Is it for educational purpose, for fun, for gaming, charitable, social, and finance? So for me, I'm selecting for educational purpose. All right, so next you have to select a representative, all right, from your list of DAO. All right, so I am going to be using myself as a representative, all right, from my list of DAOs. All right, so then you click on continue below. So now that you have selected a representative, what you need to do now is click on bring to vote. So you are going to vote. All right, so I'm going to click on bring to vote. So like I said, you have to vote. All right, so now this is a voting interface. All right, now you have to alert your DAO members to go to their TONxDAO mini bot app and vote. All right, so they have to vote, yes, I agree. All right, then they are going to swipe to vote. All right, so you're going to alert them. So once you've done that, here what you have to do is sign. All right, now these are the steps. All right, if you look at the steps here, step 1, click to sign. Step 2, log in with the same wallet. Step 3, review the charter and click on the orange button. Jump to the first find. All right, then enter the name of the DAO and confirm. Click on the green button. All right, then confirm the sign with your wallet, then return to DAO. All right, and you click here to sign. But before you can do that, you must have alerted your DAO members to sign before this can be open. All right, so let me go and inform my DAO members so they can sign. All right, so they can sign. All right, then I'll get back to you and continue the video. So hold on. All right, so after waiting for my DAO members to sign, all right, after sorry, to vote rather, you're going to see the progress here. They voted yes, 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 yes. All right, so everybody voted yes for me to be a representative, all right, in my DAO. All right, so now the next thing you have to do is to sign. All right, so as you can see on my list of DAO members, one person has already signed. All right, he has completed this particular task. All right, so what you need to do is I'm going to head over to sign. All right, so hold on. All right, so after clicking on sign, it brought us to this page. All right, so I took a screenshot of how we are going to the steps on what we are going to do. So let me go to that screenshot. Okay, so here is the screenshot. All right, the first step, they said click on sign button, of which we have clicked on, and it brought us to that tone wallet connection section. All right, and the next thing we have to do is log in with the same wallet. All right, so we are going to connect our wallet. All right, then the next thing we are going to do is to review the charter. All right, we are going to review the contract. All right, then we'll click on jump to the first field. All right, then the next thing we're going to do is impute your name. That is the name on your Telegram account. You impute it there and click on confirm. The next thing we're going to do is click on the green button to complete contract. All right, then you're going to see confirm with a signature. It's going to bring up a page whereby you can confirm with your signature, right, digitally, right, with your wallet address, and it will be registered on the blockchain. Right, then you minimize and go back to your tone mini bot. Then you are going to see that you have completed it. Then you go to tax and click on I have done. Then you claim the reward for that. All right, so that's what we are going to be doing in this video. So let me go back to the sign section. So now this is the sign section here. All right, so I'm going to have to connect my Tone wallet. All right, so let's go. Click on Tone Connect. Okay, then I'm going to click on Tone Keeper. Okay, so I'm going to connect my wallet. All right. Okay, as you can see, it has connected. As you can see, our wallet has been connected. All right. So then the next thing they said is jump to the first field. All right. So we are going to jump to the first field by clicking on jump to the first field. Okay. So before you click on jump to the first field, please make sure you take your time, all right, to go through this. Okay, take your time to go through this. Okay, take your time to go through this before clicking on jump to the first field, because this is like a contract I'm seeing here, you know, a contract you're going to sign that will be saved on the blockchain. Okay, so make sure you go through it. So after you must have carefully gone through the contract, okay, you're going to type your name here. Okay, you're going to type your name here. So like I said, we're going to type, your name here. So I'm going to be typing my name. Okay. Then I'm going to click on insert signature. Okay, so after imputing your signature, okay, so this is my signature here, the column where my signature fell under. Okay, so now that person I said that had already done the signature, this is the person here, right? The person has already completed his or her own. So each member will do that on their own dashboard. So you have to go to your TONxDAO and approve all this stuff. All right, follow this step that I'm providing for you to be able to sign your own. So when you click on jump to the first field, you're going to put your signing signature on everything, and you put it in the appropriate place for your section. Then other sections too, whereby your DAO members can sign will be there. So when they come online and they see that, they are going to sign. All right, once they do that, then since I've already done my own, which is for my own account, I'm going to go ahead and click on complete contract. I'm going to click there right now. Okay, so after clicking on complete contract, it brought me to my Tone wallet where I should sign on the blockchain. So I'm going to connect my wallet and sign. Okay, all right, so it has been connected. So once you have connected wallet, all right, you're going to see that you have you have completed this this sign task over here. Okay, you're going to see you have completed it. All right, so you can share if you want to share, and you can click on back if you want to go back. Okay, so I'm going to go back. So after clicking on back, you're going to see that you have signed, right? So myself and one of my DAO member has completed this task, right? So when the other persons come online and they see this video, they should be able to do theirs by following these steps. Right? So this is how to do the task. Right? Then you go to your task section and click on confirm or claim. Okay, so then you come to register your DAO here, this particular task. All right, then you're going to click there. All right, then click to check. So you have to wait for the TONxDAO team to verify that you have completed that task. Then you'll be given 1 million points, like 1 million DAO point added to your original balance. Okay, so that is how to complete the task. Thank you, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.